Yes.
Okay.
Hey. Try it again.
Uh, I'm gonna quit trading this morning.
I mean, to be honest with you, this market would favor us to sit on our hands.
I'm done.
I mean,
That
and
that freaking
I have a headache, so
that,
I'm not.
that oh you do?
Yeah, I got a massive headache,
That
so
thing
I'm not
freaking
gonna sit here and push it.
that thing freaking cost me $100 on the gold trade, another $100 on a lost trade.
And then
That's our
140 last night.
and 140. Yeah. So
You gave it all back,
I'm
basically.
$100 to the yeah. And
Yeah.
this is just I'm just pissed off right now because I'm gonna stop.
Yeah. Well, you know what that means, right? Sit on your hands.
Yeah, I'm a
Good thing about it is you gave back. Here's the way to look at it. Flip that to the positive side. You gave back profit. You didn't give back anything.
Let's make a positive statement out of this. I am positive. I'm pissed off at that spectrum. How can you say that about
You could be. Hey, you could be Tom. You lost. Did a
and then have no hair? Hell no.
and have no hair.
Just wait, bro. You're gonna get that Captain Picard thing going.
Dude.
No, I'm older than both of you, and I still have full head. It's a full head.
My
of hair.
head hair staying, bro. Which one?
You're Italian too. I don't know bringing in bald Italian.
Hutch said, which one?
Which
Which one?
Which one am I going to lose? Wow, this is garbage. You not missing anything.
Man. Yeah, dude.
Oh no, I already missed it.
I mean, I could close out this one that we did this morning and we should probably add a contract here based on what our rules say. We should have added one right
Right.
there.
Brian, did you see my message on WhatsApp yesterday about my sixth grader?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that a great learning, or teaching aspect?
Yeah, they just do just whatever, teach you all the things. Do the opposite of what you do.
Yeah, just don't.
I mean, you know, I gotta be honest with you about this. Kids make really good traders when they have the inclination to do it. I mean, really good traders. I trained. I was fortunate enough. So one of the kids that was involved with starting Tasty Trades. I was at the office where he got trained at Online Trading Academy, and he was I want to say 12 when he started. But he ended up starting. He ended up starting one of the biggest trading platforms in the country right now. So he had another dude from Online Trading Academy that helped him start Tasty Trades. And now they're freaking look at them now. Yeah, look at them now. Yeah. And then I personally trained this kid that was 15 when he started. Mateo was the kid's name. And his dad was a South American guy, oil guy in South America, lots of money, wealthy, super wealthy, and the kid, his dad, within the first year gave him $1 million account because he was doing so well. And last time I talked to him, he was like 17, which is years ago, but he was trading. I think he was up to like $25 million in trading, and his dad gave him 100% of the money he made. He could do whatever he wanted to with it.
I think we just lucky in life, aren't we?
That kid, he was right. I mean, I wouldn't to be that good of a trader. It's not luck, man. The kid did the work. Now, the kid was lucky that his dad
to be able to start with $1 million.
He's lucky that his dad was sitting on $200 million, but.
Give me $1 million account. I'll turn it into 20.
You better freaking believe it. Or at least I'll make an income for the rest of my life and won't have to worry about anything.
I have a care in the world to do that.
Dude, I'll do the exact same thing, but with minis on the ES. I won't even trade the NQ. I won't do anything else but this with minis. And I won't do more than 2 contracts, and those $100 days will be $1,000 days. And I'll do that I'll have $6,000 days. across 6, actually I would probably go up to like, I'd use minis. I'd probably use more. I'd probably use like 2 minis per scale, something like that.
Just keep the same scale, up to 3 or 4 max.
Oh shit, no.
There's
With a $1
your
million
pivot.
account, I'd go higher than 3 or 4.
There's your pivot.
We gotta be selling. I gotta let this ES pump up just a little bit further. We're gonna try to get this contract on and take a nice little target.
This thing falls below this 150. I'm gonna take a scalp down and pivot.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. What is going on here?
There you go.
I gotta tell you,
Come on down there.
these are some nice little trades that I've been missing this morning.
150 to 120. And a 30-point little quick scalp on 1Q. Oh, it one ticked me. Come on. Are you serious?
It's that kind of day.
Come on. There it goes.
There, no, you got this. This is a short market, guys.
Don't you do that to me. There you go. Quick little 30 points.
Short market. I'm considering looking at. I'm trying to see if we get it. I think this is going to set up to be something you could run like 6 contracts with on the MES here. Actually, it is. You can do 2 if you want to, but I'm gonna do 6.
On the break, on the
Yeah, below.
breaker.
Yeah, below.
14.
At 1450. 1450. Let's do. Yeah. Alright, this time I'm going to push this. It's going to be a big trade. Now I can put it in. Alright, sorry, I'm not doing 1450. I'm going to do 1425. There we go. 1425 sell stop. For me, that'll give me a target at least. Yeah, that'd be an easy target. 1425 to 13. Yeah, that would be a super easy target there. Now if it goes down, or the better option for me is go up and get this contract and give me another target down here at the same price. For me, yes.
Look at that. Bounce on
Ready
that
for a
pivot, right
move.
back up.
Yeah, stretch. No, that's good. I mean, that's the only reason. I mean, again, I've worked this into about what $60 position or something like that. If you took all the targets, I didn't have the internet issues. So this just makes it. If I wasn't trading my let's put it this way, stretch. If I wasn't trading my levels, I wouldn't be trading this market.
No, I did, and I wouldn't fault anybody who's sitting on their hands right now.
No, absolutely not. That's
You
what
are
I'm trying
absolutely doing the right thing. This is
Trying
not
to
a
agree with
market to be
you. Now,
trading.
at some point, the bottom's going to drop out of the market, which would be great. But we'll just have to sit here and wait until it does.
That's the thing, man. People feel like you have to trade. You don't have to trade.
No.
Cash is a position. Live the trade when the market's right.
Oh,
Back. More trades here. That's the sign.
It's not going to come up and get my order. I didn't get my order, dang it. Hold on a minute. Alright. I really want to get 2 on here, but oh well. It's fine. I'd rather the short work out here now. I think if the NQ gets to that pivot one more time, guys.
Yeah, it's looked like it's building up a little pressure there.
Yeah, this is a definite breakout scenario. Actually, now that I think about this, I mean, yeah, if it pushes down again, like, I don't think Globex is going to hold it very long. We should get back into down territory. And if it stays up, we kill this thing.
Yeah, CS is looking like, well, it wants,
Huh? Yeah, we'll see. I mean, again,
like it's wanting to go up, doesn't it?
yeah, this is I'm just gonna trade it not going forward. Screw this. That's why I was worried this first thing out of the gate about this. And again, had I not had the internet issues, this would have been plenty of profit. We would have been able to hit a couple out of contract, target off,
Yeah,
out
your
of contract,
P&L
target
all
off.
skewed up now.
Yeah, I'm screwed on this because I missed two different ads and takeaways that I would have taken based on the rules. So it kind of screwed me. So I got to put what did I say earlier? My line incentive was around, like I said, 20, 30 right up here, right? I had to stay above this level, and now I got to make it this level because I can't give back that because I would have had. Does that make sense? Like my opportunity costs are gone, so why risk more to gain less? Hopefully that makes sense. As a matter of fact, this is turning around. Let's close this out. I'm done with this. No. Internet issues. I'm gonna give this. Let's see. Maybe we put a stop in. Let's put a stop above VWAP. Let's just do that. I'm not gonna give it that much room, Paul. How about that?
I mean, what do you think about reversing here, Brian?
We could reverse it. I mean, we're only too deep.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I mean, it's going to be, it's
But
going to work.
again, our bias is still down.
I understand
Low
that,
VWAP,
but we have a pretty
89
obvious
down.
move to VWAP.
Well, yeah, but I don't reverse just to go to VWAP. I would reverse if we saw that.
No,
we
but I
were
think
going
if you
to
break
the next
VWAP,
level.
you might have some money there. I don't know, just a thought.
Well, my rules don't say reverse right now. Rules
I mean,
say
I'm okay with
reverse
it.
above this level because it's my line in the sand.
Yeah, I'm okay with it because I didn't have the faux pas, I didn't have the screw up on my P&L, so I can take the small loss, won't hurt me.
This is
I'm just
turning-
giving back a
they're
little
trying
profit.
to take this up, aren't they? This is I've
UQ
seen
is
this,
going
I've
to
seen this,
VWAP
I've
too,
seen this
so-
movie too many times. You're right. You're right. All right. We got to close it out. We can always start scaling into the long side or do nothing else.
Or just, this, I was gonna say, this is not a market, let's just sit on our hands. I'm-
Well, again, I mean, at the end of the day, this would have been a perfectly good winning trade.
yeah.
Let's look at this larger tick chart. Tick chart. Tick chart. Yeesh. This is
I
just,
don't get at, I mean, we got a short setting up, maybe. Let's see. Come on, maybe ES is gonna play friendly here.
maybe. No, this is going to end up going long. Let's look at the bigger tick chart and see what it says.
Yeah, this thing keeps just
Yeah, no, I mean, I'm again with the crap I had going on this morning. I'm gonna be probably just being done with this pretty soon. And again, I mean, we probably end up staying in this range. The high was 75. 2 ticks away from an all-time high last night.
yeah, I almost got there yes last night.
Just follow rules. Gotta have that short bias. Leave it in. That's what the rules say. Do what the rules say. Add the contract there like we're supposed to. Which we did.
Right, look at the ES being friendly. Look at the ES being friendly.
Follow the rules. So all you can do is follow the rules, follow the rules, follow the rules.
Yeah, right. Follow the rules, and when you're wrong, you're wrong. As simple as that.
Yep. Well, it's got to break down now. If it doesn't break down now, then we start thinking reverse. But again, in the rules, if we stay above the level that we pick, which is right where we're at right now, 89 starts pointing up, and we, if VWAP's here, we stay above VWAP. If it's way up, then we don't look at that. But this does start saying reverse for our rule set above here. Above VWAP, basically.
Above VWAP, basically, right?
Yeah, like 25.
Yeah, it's about the same on NQ too. So
It stays about 25. Or just do nothing. I mean, that's 15. Yeah, I'd love for it to get back near 15 too and let me close this freaking position out. Or else I'm going to end up reversing a whole 2 micro contracts on the MES.
look out, big baller.
Well, the good news is, I mean, like,
I'm just gonna kill this, take the loss, and just stay flat. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I think this market's just crap. Last night I was watching this video. Have you ever seen this video of these guys on YouTube, but where they take these massive losses and they go crazy? Like all these streamers that lose. There was this one kid, he got so mad he smashed up his monitors and everything. Reminds me of somebody I used to know. There it goes. B-Wop.
Alright. Oh no! That was supposed to be a reverse. So 2. And then we take our target up here. $29, because we gotta go to 29 now. And then we have a stop down here because we don't want to give it back. Down here at 15. Then we get a bigger target up here and make our money back. Yay! At 33.25. Alright, that's it. That'll be me for a day. I'm done after that. Maybe.
There we go. Get some of his money back.
Now, if this breaks any higher on the NQ, then maybe we buy that too, you know?
Yeah. Are you, is it me or are you really low and muffled?
I don't know.
There we go. There we go. Correct.
Sitting in a different position than usual. Got my neck brace on, so I can't turn unless I turn my entire body. Put this thing in front of me, I guess. Put my mic here. There we go. Alright. Good? Cool. On the long side.
There we go. That's a winner.
Just gonna take the longs. Take the long way home. Take the long way home. Dude, this bus out of here, man. That's I want to pull back for a long now, or
Man, Q.
yes, NQ.
Bring it back to, let it come back to V-Wop and see if it holds.
Yeah, now my long bias is set in here, huh? If it weren't for the internet issues, we would have been profitable on the short side and profitable on the long side this morning. At least we'll make some money on the long side. A little bit of a pullback. And we could buy this. Let's see what account this is on. See if I can trade this. Can you hear me okay now?
Yeah, I mean, you're a little muffled, but
A little muffled. How can I be? Ugh.
all right, Stretch, have a good day.
See you, Stretch. How am I a little muffled if I'm not changing anything? I didn't change a single freaking thing.
Is it, I don't know, Tom, does he sound like he's...
Well, I just lost you. Can't hear you. Freaking losing my internet again, I guess. Yay. What a bunch of fun. All right, for real, ski. All right, you guys can hear me okay? Yay, nay, may. Am I muffled? No. To you guys, anybody that's still out there, am I muffled? Yes or no? Anybody still out there? Or am I just talking to myself now? Talking to myself now. You talking to a self. Talking to myself. Huh? Talking to myself. Flowers on the You know what? Let's get rid of one of these. Well, at least we got our profit back. Pretty much all of it. Pull this stop up here and just get flat. Start the whole thing over again. I guess nobody can hear me. Hello?
There you are.
Alright, there's a sign from the universe there that says stop trading, Brian.
Pretty much. It's not letting you trade, so.
No, I'm I mean, my, I think it's a Discord issue.
Honestly, may have to go take a break. Pound.
Do it.
Hang up till 11, maybe call it a morning and think.
Yeah. I mean, again, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, all this doing is costing me money sitting here. Trying to be real about that. All I've done this morning is give freaking money back, so. I'll call it today right now. I don't care. Take a break, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be flat on this, and yeah, take off, dude. Keep your green. Dude.
Yeah, I'm hurting, so I'm gonna go see if I can get this headache to go away.
Go on, get on out here, boy.
Do you want to try and come back a little later, or you got stuff to do there?
No, I mean we can trade. I gotta get this one account out of the hole. So I'm gonna try to trade it out of the hole. That's about it. I'll be sitting here doing it. I mean, if you want to take a break, I'll give commentary. You guys ask me questions. I'll teach if you guys want to ask some questions here. But I'm lost stream again.
It happens.
You got it back? The first time the internet went out this morning, I should have said, I'm done trading.
I mean,
Let's
it
be done.
happens.
See ya. It was back. Okay. All right, guys.
It's back now. I can see it.
Yeah. So, I think learning lesson today, which should be a lesson for every day, is. Oh, are you kidding me?
Lost it again.
Oh, now everything's frozen?
Yeah. nothing's
Learning
moving
lesson.
on the chart. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Look, that's a sign, man. Let's just call it a day. Come back. We can come back later after lunch if you want. I don't care.
It's fine with me.
I mean, it's just all we're gonna do. I mean,
No, yeah, dude.
we're not
you,
meant
you don't have to
If anything,
convince
we're gonna
me.
confuse people. It's not.
You don't have
worth
to
it.
convince me to do anything.
It's just part of technology. Some days they work, some days they don't. It is what it is.
No. Yeah, there's no twisting my arm.
You're having technical issues. I have a massive migraine.
There's
Not
no
good right now.
there's no convincing you got to give me to
Just
call
maybe
this a
you-
day.
You got a break of opening range here. It gets up to 289. Anybody wants to take that break, you should get a pop right there.
Whoa. Oh, silly stuff here. Silly stuff. Are you kidding me? Alright. Yeah, let's walk away. Well, here's the lesson. Here, look at this. Sorry. The simplest lesson, I don't even know if that still works, but the simplest lesson you can absolutely learn on a day like today is if you're out of tune with the markets, you have stuff that gets in your way, things don't start going right, stop trading. Don't do it. Just get out of your positions. Quit trading. There's no reason to risk your money, risk your capital in this stuff. Don't do it. Yeah. Tomorrow is another day. You're not gonna miss trades, you're not gonna miss the end of the world, you're not gonna miss anything. Just stop trading, be done with it. You know? That's the problem with retail traders. Too many if I were me 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I would have gotten frustrated and tried to make $1,000 out of this and blow accounts up. Straight up blow accounts up.
100%. That's me. That was me. I mean, if you think about it, one of the best things that one of the biggest game changers for me, one of them.
Was paying me to coach you?
One of the biggest things was honestly realizing that I just don't have to trade.
You don't have to do it. No, you don't have to do it.
It's okay. It's okay if I don't trade.
You don't have to do it.
And
Yeah.
if I miss a trade or trades, doesn't matter. Because you're right. A day like today would frustrate me, and I'd have been doing something stupid to try to get it back.
Here's what my plan is. I'm gonna come back around 11:30, see if the market's changed. Maybe 11:25 ish.
There's always an upside. I mean, because if those two minis would have went the other direction, that would $1,500 today.
Yeah, you would have given back every single profit you had.
No, I would not. I would not. If it would have went the other way, I would have been golden.
Yeah.
Oh.
I would have been wondering why I did it. Yeah, well, that's what I don't think you caught that. That was I opened up an NQ chart instead of an MN2 that I had because I was separating them to have a monitor on the NQ, and I was on the wrong chart when I got into the trade. And so instead of micros, I had minis. I'm just saying is that if it wouldn't have stopped me out, we've gone the other direction. We might have been funded by Friday.
Oh wow.
By a fluke, but
Hey, I got lucky with a couple minis the other day. I had my
Me too.
chart trader on the NQ minis, and it was a good trade, a good setup and everything. I just had it on two MNQ. I thought it was on two MNQ contracts. So it was two ended up being a $700 trade. So pretty happy with that. But it freaked me out like bad. Since Paul and I started, since Paul brought me down to the micro world, I don't know if I'll trade minis. Like every day I trade minis, I'm like, oh, this is too much. I'm so
It's like, oh my God,
scared.
it's a mini, it's a mini.
Oh my God, it's a mini. I could lose $300. Last nice, Greg. Sweet. Greg's getting a paycheck. You can get a paycheck soon, bro. Seriously, you're gonna get a paycheck soon.